Hello, everyone. My name is Pierre Guet. I'll be your instructor for the next 5 weeks. Um, this is Introductory Chemistry 1. That's the first organic chemistry course. This will cover things like stoichiometry, functional group, and so you start by learning then ways to draw molecules, recognize them, name them, and different functional groups, as we said, and their properties. You will then be introduced to different instruments using organic chemistry to elucidate then the structure of these molecules. All of this will be done step by step in chemical reaction. This will help you be more confident with the synthesis of small molecule. Finally, you have the opportunity to show your knowledge by writing an abstract and presenting the synthesis of your molecule along the use of instrument to verify your synthesis uh, to a group. That will be done online, not an actual group. Okay. So I have been teaching chemistry for more than 30 years. I teach all level of chemistry. You can check my um, short bio here. The course, again, as we said, is 5 week long. Module 1, week 1, principal organic chemistry and choosing a molecule. You're going to choose a molecule that you're going to work on and finish at the end of the semester with a presentation. Organic chemistry instrumentation and molecular nomenclature, how to name chemical compounds and instrument to use to elucidate the structure of these molecules. Sustainable synthesis, so you synthesize compounds, but you can synthesize compound by polluting the environment and stuff. How do you choose things that are less polluting and you still have the chemical that you want? Visualization of synthesis. Again, here we're going to look at what type of things tell you that you actually have the compound that you thought you had. Reaction pathway and final presentation is what we're going to look at week 5. So if I go here, course into overview then. So here, the first thing you're going to do is sign this agreement here on honor code of conduct, and tech for success, what you need to have to be successful in this class. The outcome of this class, diagram the unique geometry of molecule in 3 dimensions, that's stoichiometry, interpret structure, representation of organic molecule, including identification of specific stability and reactivity of molecules, predict specific mechanisms for organic reaction, including molecular synthesis, and then describe how to determine organic molecular structure using a spectroscopy, which could be NMR, it could be any other method, IR, UV, and stuff. So the syllabus is here. We're going to come back to that. The textbook we're going to use for this class is McMurray, and have an OpenStack link here. Again, the course overview is here. Let me go back to the syllabus, run through the syllabus. So again, this is an online class. The class is CHEM 201, starting on the 17th. The homepage is here. Inbox, if you want to send me a message, all messages have to be sent through Canvas. So course description, we said, focus on chemistry of organic molecule, starting with overview of diverse carbon compound. That's what organic chemistry is, the chemistry of carbon. Outcomes here are diagram unique geometry of molecule, structure of molecule, predict the specific mechanisms that get you to the molecule you want to get, and determining the structure of molecule using spectroscopy. Grading policies are here. Again, if you have to submit your work when it's due, you're going to have some reminder during the week. But between the first minute all the way to the end of day 1, if you submit it at that point, you get 10% penalty. Between 2 and 6 days, between 1 and 2, 30%. Between 2 and 6 days, 50%. You may not get any credit if you were to submit something after 6 days, unless there's a reason for that you have cleared up with me beforehand. So we say that the textbook is then McMurray, and OpenStack of that is here. Communication, answer your question within 24 hours after you send me an email. If I don't, please send me a reminder. I may be checking with the administration how to answer a question if it's difficult too. Discussion expectation, you have to post your first posting by Wednesday, midweek of the discussion, and then learning accommodations. People who are need accommodation will know what to do. Just click here to get there. And then turning in, this will check anything that you submit to see if it's your work or somebody else's. Cheating information here, plagiarism here, and then guideline for using AI is not forbidden, but the ways to use it. Copyright information, technical support. You have any difficulty with IT of any kind, contact the school. I may not be able to help you with that. And then that's what we have. Then on week one, you have lectures are here. You can watch this video here to understand what's going on with lecture. We have videos for each one of these. Here you have that for chapter one and week one, week two, and week three, and so on. Okay, so we have what you need for every week here. There's the course summary. Week one, we have it here, and the due dates are here. Week two, week three, week four, and week five. Okay, so if you were to follow this, you'll be fine. Again, if there's anything that you think can help you with, let me know as soon as you can. I will not always answer all questions within the first hour, but I try to answer them within 24 hours, as we said. Other than that, nice having you in my class. I hope you see you around and have a great term. Thank you very much.